Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find candidates who aren't part of any hot list in Recruit CRM. Begin by navigating to the Candidates List page. On the list page, you'll see the Hot List column. Click the Hot List button to check whether a candidate is part of any hot list. You can also verify this from the Candidates Details page. To do that, open the candidate's profile. In the Widget section, open the Hot Lists tab. Here, you'll see all the hot lists the candidate is part of. If the candidate isn't part of any hot list, you'll see an Add to Hot List button. Back on the list page, click the Quick View button in the top left corner and select the Not in Any Hot List candidate view. Recruit CRM will instantly display all candidates who haven't been added to any hot lists. This makes it easy to identify candidates who haven't yet been added to a hot list, helping you keep your database organized. And that's it. You now know how to find candidates who aren't part of any hot list in Recruit CRM. If you have any questions, reach out to us via the chatbot in the bottom right corner. Thank you for watching.